In the opulent halls of the Song Dynasty palace, the legendary jade cloud tofu was served exclusively to Emperor Renzong. This delicate dish, known for its unparalleled tenderness, symbolized imperial luxury. Made with rare ingredients like lotus root starch and mountain spring water, it was a culinary marvel. The tofu's texture was so fine, it was said to resemble clouds, earning its poetic name. This dish was not just food, it was a symbol of the emperor's refined taste and the court's culinary mastery. The secret behind jade cloud tofu lay in the hands of Liu Yong, the aging royal chef. Using a meticulous technique perfected over decades, Liu combined lotus root starch and mountain spring water to achieve the tofu's legendary texture. His weathered hands shaped the tofu with precision, steaming it in bamboo baskets over low heat. The process was fragile and time-consuming, relying on Liu's expertise. Without him, the recipe was doomed to vanish. Emperor Renzong cherished jade cloud tofu not just for its taste, but for the emotions it evoked. Each bite reminded him of his late mother, who had served him similar dishes during his childhood. The tofu's tenderness became a metaphor for his grief and love. Tears often fell onto his jade spoon as he ate, connecting the dish to his deepest memories. This emotional bond made the tofu more than a meal. It was a symbol of imperial legacy. The Mongol invasion of Kaifeng brought chaos to the Song Dynasty palace. During the raid, a devastating fire erupted in the royal kitchen, destroying the sacred recipe scrolls for jade cloud tofu. The flames consumed centuries of culinary knowledge in moments. Chefs fled in panic, leaving behind the secrets of the dish. This tragedy marked the beginning of the tofu's disappearance, as the recipe was lost to history. After the fire, Liu Yong, now blind, retreated to a rural village. Determined to recreate jade cloud tofu, he attempted to rely on memory alone. However, without the precise conditions of the palace kitchen, his efforts failed. The tofu crumbled like dry earth, a stark contrast to its former tenderness. Liu's exile symbolized the dish's dependence on its royal origins, as the recipe proved impossible to replicate outside the palace walls. On his deathbed, Liu whispered fragmented instructions for jade cloud tofu to his apprentice, Mei. His words were incomplete, as the fire had erased much of his knowledge. Mei clutched a half-burnt recipe fragment, her hands trembling with the weight of the legacy. Liu's final breath marked the end of an era, leaving Mei with only fragments of the recipe. The dish's secrets were now scattered, waiting to be rediscovered. Centuries later, a food historian uncovered Mei's diary in Kaifeng. The diary hinted at the ingredients and techniques of jade cloud tofu, but the full recipe remained elusive. Modern chefs attempted to recreate the dish, but its legendary tenderness was never fully achieved. The diary serves as a bridge between past and present, keeping the legend alive. Yet the true essence of the tofu remains a mystery, a testament to the impermanence of history.